Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about the quotient rule of derivative. So we have y equals to a over b. So if I do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b minus first derivative of b multiplied by a over b squared. Now we can apply the formula for this one. And we need to do first derivative of this one. Minus, we do first derivative of this one in here. Over this one to the power of 2. So first derivative of x squared, we have 2x. This is about the constant, so you got about 0. Similar for this one, but we have the negative side. Now we need to expand this one. Now we need to simplify this one and this one. So we just have only 4xa to the power of 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.